Here, look at my wallet.
What for?
Take it. Look at the pictures. Look in there. You'll see a picture of you and Mom, maybe a picture of me and Mom, a picture of the cat. You see anything missing? You notice anything different? You know, like maybe there aren't any pictures of girls in there?
Okay, so you don't have a girlfriend at the moment.
Didn't that ever make you wonder?
I don't think I went steady till I was in college.
Oh, and of course I'm exactly like you, so I must be straight.
Walter, maybe we should stop arguing with Billy and just try to listen.
Do you have any idea why I'm so angry? All of your life, I have tried to protect you from harm, and now you make me feel so helpless because you've scared yourself into thinking you're some kind of pervert.
Why did I ever even bother to tell you? You know something, Dad? It's not me I'm afraid of. I'm not afraid of who I am. I'm afraid of you.
Billy!
No, Virginia!
Walter! Walter, I think he's telling us the truth.
If it is the truth, let him go. Let him go as far away as he can. And I pray he doesn't come back.
Walter, I know how upset you are. I am too.
Yeah? This came as a big surprise to you, huh?
Well, of course.
Yeah? Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I'm gay. Oh, how about that? Why didn't you pick up any ideas? Huh? Didn't he leave enough clues around? Like, you know, he hasn't got any pictures of girls in his wallet.
Walter, please don't let him wander off into the night.
Let me see. Oh, gosh, I don't seem to have any pictures of girls in my wallet either. No, here we are. Here you are with our boy Bill, age what, about 3?
Walter, he's afraid. He's scared. He needs our help. He must have been so lonely for such a long time.
He's lonely?
That's probably why he finally told us.
No. See, he didn't tell us. He told me. Now, why do you suppose that is?
Well, maybe it's because he misses you the most.
Yeah? You think I don't miss him, huh?
Walter, stop it!
No.
Stop it! Stop it!
Here, take it! I hope you finally realize
Realize what?
Realize what a danger Andrew Carpenter is.
What does Andrew Carpenter have to do?
Well, who the hell else took our son away from us? And you let him do it. Now, you and your fellow vestry members could have voted Andrew Carpenter out, but you chose not to. Well, I'm going to make damn sure that that committee does not make the same mistake, because Andrew Carpenter has got to go.
Right.
Hello?
Hello. Joey. Thank God you're there. This is, Virginia Douglas, Billy's mother.
Yes, Miss Douglas, what's up?
I need to talk to you about Billy.
All right.
Can you meet me at the country club?
Right now?
I'm so sorry, Joey, but it's very important.
It's Billy. And you don't know where Billy went? You want us to look for him?
If you can. I keep imagining him passed out in an alley somewhere.
No, he's not going to drink like that again.
How do you know?
I think he's going to be okay.
Oh, God, I'm sorry, Joey.
It's all right.
You two are the best friends that Billy has ever had. If you can track him down.
We will.
And tell him that I love him very, very much. Thank you.
Oh, God. I guess he told him the truth.
I guess so.
Do you think he's in an alley somewhere drunk and...
Come Let's go find him.
Hi, you've reached the rectory of St. James Episcopal Church. Please leave a message and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks.
Andrew? It's Billy. I guess I'm supposed to leave a message, right? I don't know what to say. Took your advice. I told my parents the truth. My dad, he looked like I stabbed him in the heart. I don't know what to do right now. God, I really wish you were there. But you're not. I don't know where to go. Definitely not home. Definitely not home.